In this video, I'm going to show you how to view Linux games on itch.io in just a few quick steps. This is super useful if you want to find Linux-compatible games without wasting time scrolling through results that won't work on your system. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io website. Once the homepage loads, look at the top menu and click Browse. This will take you to the full game browsing section, where you can explore different categories, tags, and platforms. Now, on the left-hand menu, look for the Platform section. This area helps you filter games based on the operating system or device they support. Under Platform, click Linux. As soon as you select it, itch.io will refresh the results and show you only the games that are available for Linux. That means you can now browse titles that are much more relevant to your setup and avoid anything that doesn't support your platform. From here, you can scroll through the list, check game pages, and start finding Linux games you can actually play. It's a simple filter, but it saves a lot of time and makes searching much easier. And that's it. You now know how to view Linux games in itch.io. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.